welcome to LeatherUp.com. I'd like to show you the Gaerne G King boot today. Gaerne G King boot is the big brother of the G Flow boot. If you're looking for a good street boot, full grain Italian leather here, doesn't get much better than that. The G Flow and the G King are very similar boots. The G King is a taller height in the boot, so it's going to come a little farther up your leg. If you're looking for something a little shorter, check out the G Flow boot. So let's get into this boot here. Like I said, full grain Italian leather. This is a waterproof boot. Gaerne uses a Drytech membrane between the outer portion of the leather and the interior of the boot itself to keep your feet nice and dry in the event of a rain. You can tell on the front of this boot there's no straps, no seams, no buckles, no laces. This boot is purely a slip fit boot. So once you go to enter this boot, you've got a Velcro down the side, you open it up, it opens up very nice. There's actually this rain dam inside, so if any moisture was to get through the zipper area, it's not going to go into the boot and actually get you wet inside. Keeps you nice and dry. You zip this guy up. Ensuring the proper fit is going to be key with this boot, because once your foot's in there, it really is going to hold your foot and cradle your foot. That zipper is going to keep this boot from going anywhere in the event of an accident. The back of the boot actually has some reflective piping, so at night you still will be seen. And a rubberized sole is going to keep your foot planted on the bike and off. You know, when you step off the bike, you can step off with comfort knowing that this rubberized sole is going to keep you from moving. You'll be sure-footed no matter where you put your foot. If you notice on the top of the boot here, there's actually a toe pad shifter. This is a thicker piece of rubber that's actually mounted to the top of the boot. Keeps that shifter from actually digging into your boot and damaging your very expensive boot. So we give you a nice thick toe pad shifter here. For more information on the G King boot and sizes, please check out the website at leatherup.com. Thanks for watching.